One of the biggest problems for humanity in the past few decades has been the global warming. The source of the global warming is the extra and overproduction of CO2 by using different kind of fuels. The leaf is a CO2 extraction system. The leaf has two sides. One side is nano-layered differently in respect to the back. You can create one side properties of the leaf, which is, for example, the top. And then trying to find the second plate by putting water and salt in the container with a plate, one nano plate and one nickel plate. We create an environment exactly like the leaf. Connect the two plates together electronically by wire. The system will start absorbing CO2 from the environment exactly like a leaf. You can extract it as you need it. Simple zinc plate. A piece of wire. All the CO2 which you collect, put them in a position as we have in the containers. You can lead and extract energy back from the material you have collected. You can see 12 volts is unlimited energy. You can charge a battery, you can charge anything you want to do. So you can go to Keshe Foundation website, www.keshefoundation.org, go to the shop and order a system for yourself or